Hello, welcome to this week's accountability. And I've been feeling a bit down, been working on the titles. I'll show you what I've been doing. And yeah, let's get started. So, this is the application that I'm working in, of course. It's the one that I built exactly with the ideas that I've been gathering from different courses. And now it seems that it's working in my favor, and I've been able to create like 10 different titles, poll them, everything cheaper polls, better polls. I use just 4 different options here in the polls, and I have some of these that could be winners, right? And yeah, then I'm gonna use the cover creator here afterwards, then a few other things. If you want access to this, let me know and I'll give you beta access. And yeah, I don't have capacity for that many beta people, but a few more is okay. So that's that. Yeah, so I've been working on many things now. I would say the Christian teen books, I wanted to plan ahead for 10 books. Now I've already done the 10. Planned 10 already. 5 more to go. It's like life skills. So I'm gonna do that one. And this is today. So I'm gonna do 5 more life skills bundle. That's one thing I've done. Maybe let's start with the well, I already started, so let's see what I've done. Cookbooks, this one is done now, so we have recipes and meal plan are ready. Introduction, conclusion, waiting. So that's that. I also have 2 ladies working on 2 separate batch cooking videos. So I might have videos for both of our cookbooks for $2,000 bet. So yeah, it's gonna cost me $2,000 to make sure that these cookbooks are the best quality they can actually be at my current standpoint. And yeah, let's see how that goes. Yep, typed all of that in. So now we're just gonna publish next 2 cookbooks. Next cookbook. Add the videos to the cover, description, and content of the book. So these are gonna be for the next weeks. But anyways, anti-inflammatory. It's a very competitive niche, but I'm excited about that. The Christian teens, I got many of the titles planned. Now I'm gonna have to hire someone. We're gonna have to hire a Christian outdoors dad. And this is gonna be helpful because I don't know much about outdoors or being a dad. Christian woman series have started now. First book reviewed by what's her name? Therapist. On the way to publish. So that's that, and then we're gonna have to do the next steps. The Christmas books I have not gotten. Oh, sorry, this is not the Christian woman's book. This is something else. This is the audiobooks series. Okay. 12 books, I think. 12 woman self-help. So yeah, I got a few different things here. As you can see, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this one is actually inside of that one. Yeah, so this. Yeah. So this is the same book. it's been reviewed by the therapist. All right, and the Christmas books, I have not even started with that. So these two are a bit behind, I would say. After this, I'm gonna start working on the Christian Woman series, and probably after that, Christmas books. So yeah, TikTok content, I have not gotten to it. I think there's a lot to be done here, and I want to publish a lot of these books. Now, the risk is that the quality will be coming down. However, I'm ensuring doing my best in the limited time to make sure that, let me show you my face, that the quality is still very high. By hiring specialists, I'm trying to double check that everything is being, I can make things on the wall here. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah, so that's the goal here. I want to keep the quality high, but also produce more books, more income producing assets. It's very hard, man. I can tell you I've been having like mental toughness being trained, because now I'm in a beautiful city right now. It's in the west of Ukraine. It's beautiful here, man. I love it, and I have a lot of good nights of sleep now, and I started my meditation. I'm doing a lot of things now. So yeah, that's the things we have done for last week. Now I've also given my daily logs to our Claude. These are the things we have done other than what I mentioned, because sometimes I forget. So yeah, the series Bible is ready. Plan the next 10 books. Running all the subtitle titles for the next Christian books. I'm doing I redid the descriptions for 2 books, and the impact was positive. Fixed the Amazon author page on one of the author pages. Yeah, $2,000 bet on some videos for the cookbooks. I want my worker to work full time for me, so I messaged her. And then, just made some updates to the app. Renal Diet cookbook is going to Ingram's Park. Weekly accountability post. That's what I did this week, because I missed the last week. I was in London. I sent a song to the publishing group. People liked it. Yeah, I'm also in the SRF Yoga, Kriya Yoga. So I'm getting some progress done and reading Henry Ford's book. And he reduces prices, man. It's amazing what he does. He reduces the prices and expands the market, allows more people to buy the goods. And by forcing the reduction of prices, I think that's something that IKEA also does. Basically, he's bringing manufacturing costs down and allowing more people to have it. I think this is pretty much the IKEA playbook, right? Yeah, I'm walking in Lviv, looking for the future wife, or whatever you want to call it. Although I don't have much time. I probably have like maybe an hour per day to do that. But yeah, that's not the number one priority right now. So yeah, I've spent a lot of time. I lost like 40 minutes on the Iran war news. I'll never do that again. Never. Listen, never am I looking at the freaking news again, man. It's such a waste of time. Honestly, it's such a waste of time. I didn't get anything out of it. I was just curious, and I'm not going to do that again. I would rather be meditating. And yeah, I'd prefer to not be working alone. I would like to be around other people. However, working alone has its benefits, but it does get a bit tiring in some ways. Yeah, I still don't have a good email list, don't have an audience. That's something that bothers me today. And I was thinking about how can I go into a niche where I can go deeper and deeper vertically, because now I have a lot of gift books and I'm not capturing emails. I need to improve my lead magnet, but also even if I was capturing the emails, I feel like the audience is not the same. So for example, you have let's just say a golfing book, right? And it's a gift book, like golfing jokes. Like, what are you gonna do? Golfing jokes book 2, or now soccer jokes? Like, it's not the same audience, and I feel like it's not getting deeper. We're not building a brand. We're not building authority. So that's something that I'm thinking, like, how can I solve that? And it's been bothering me today. However, I thought, okay, I set out the plan. I'm gonna, go ahead with it. These books might make, I don't know, maybe $50, $60 a month. They'll pay back themselves in 5 months. And after this, I'm gonna have to be more clear on how to continue forward, right? Maybe make more high effort TikTok-ish books. So yeah, it's a thing I'm gonna have to think about, but hey, it is what it is, right? In any case, let's see what else we have here. I'm trying to apply the pain plus reflection equals progress. I have a lot of pain now. I don't know exactly what I can attribute them to. Some of it is being, feeling slightly lonely, even though I'm objectively not lonely, right? I have a lot of good friends, but I'm eating good food. So yeah, also in the yoga thing, they're telling me, oh, you shouldn't want the power or the desires to see these like crazy visions when you're meditating. I'm like, fuck, I want the power. I want the power, man. Give me the power. And yeah, it was like, yeah, if you seek the power, you're not going to reach the sadhana or the higher states of meditation. So yeah, I'm going to have to work on that. I guess I have a lot of karma from past lives. I have so much earthly desires, man, that I want to reach. But yeah, so yeah. Also, I want to work on the machine, which is the publishing business. I don't want to be so much in it, but of course, I need to go in it, which I like to do with many topics and I've done many times, to understand the process so that I can come outside of it, right? So, yeah, those are some of the thoughts that I've had. Yeah, so I've been happy with that. And let's see, what else do we have on the public weekly accountability? It's already 12 minutes. I don't want to make it too long. Too long. Issues log. I'm still not fully understanding how to use the issues log, but we're gonna go ahead and learn. Number one priority will be to hire a writer, I would say. So it's gonna be this one. I want to hire the writer because I want them to start on their own. I really prefer if I can teach them my process and then I go out of it. So that's gonna be that. And then well, as you know, there's many other things to do, and I don't love it because I'm kind of getting spread thin here. However, I do have 4 series that all are making money, so it's like, do I just leave them out? Do I just not do them? 3, I would say, 3 series currently. So yeah, those are some of the things. But yeah, that's it for now. There's not much more that I can add, I guess. I think I showed you my publisher champ also. If I didn't, here we go. I should have done this in the beginning. I guess you can see it now. So in this month, we've spent $15,000 and we made $9,000 profit on top. So $23,000 revenue. However, keep in mind that most of this is from Easter. The good thing is when we launched the new books on Easter, they paid themselves back within Easter. So from now, whatever profit they make, it's positive. So that's nice. So some things are going forward. I feel like my mind is getting spread thin between all these brands, and I'm thinking about what many people have said it before, but let's just say Henry Ford has hit home. Is like he had one good idea and then he ran with it for like 40 years, which was just a combustion engine on a car, right? So he's saying there's many good ideas out there, but just you gotta commit and then perfect that, right? So this is kind of the fear I have. Like, is publishing books an idea? I don't know. KDP platform was an idea. right? They make one system one time, and it allows so many people to publish books and they earn money. Now, of course, that was built on top of Amazon. So I want to keep thinking about this because it's a thing that's really bothering me, because I feel like a lot of my effort is like making these one-off books. That's not really stacking. It's not stacking in my favor. It's the good thing is that it's stacking, that it's gonna bring income in the future, right? But it doesn't have the flywheel effect. That's how I feel. Now, you could argue against it, right? A very good high quality book that's a winner, that's gonna sell for many years, sure. However, it doesn't have this. In my mind, it doesn't feel like something I can keep improving for the next 20 years, right? As a publishing business, I can keep improving things, which is the closest I can come to a machine. Like that's the machine. I'm improving the publishing business, right? In general, which is fine. I like it. It's fun. But this question has been bothering me for sure. And yeah, let me just talk about this. I tend to. By the way, if you have any suggestions how I should do this better, structure this better, let me know because I'm in desperate need for more advice on how to make this more clear. But anyways, as you can see here, most of the profit is right here. That's the Easter profits. From here to here, we've had around $1,300 profit, and yeah. So most of the profit was for Easter. It's still not bad. We're probably gonna make another $2,000 to $3,000 the rest of this month, and then the new books are gonna come out. My cookbooks are doing pretty well, so I'm gonna continue with those. Yeah, overall, just a lot of thoughts, a lot of not understanding what direction to go, especially now that I have 3 to 4 brands that are working well, right? 3 for sure, and possibly 4 soon. And it's not good because again, I don't want to become the generalist. I want to really like become professional in one brand and one line of like product, and just like make that product the best it can ever be, right? So that's really what I want to do. Oh, look at that big fist. Yeah. Oh, that looks funny. I have given myself the devil's, what is it called? Yeah. Anyways, the antlers. Have a beautiful day. That's it for now. And share with me also, if you haven't already put something in the comments, share with me what are the challenges you're facing in your business, life, love. I don't know. Anyways, have a good day. Bye bye.